Hello, I'm GK.
Welcome to your favorite channel GK. National bird of Japan is Japanese green pheasant. National bird of Lebanon is phoenix. National bird of Libya is rough-legged hawk. National bird of Madagascar is Madagascar fish eagle.
National bird of Malaysia is rhinoceros hornbill. National bird of United States is bald eagle. National bird of Mexico is caracara.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share.